there. Na? So same thing. Here also there will be planning session will be there, gathering session will be there, design will be there, development will be there, testing will be there, and then deployment will be there, and then maintenance will be there here also. Okay, in this method also. But this method, in this method, you got a application, creation of application project. You got a project saying that creation of application. In that it is having 45 tasks. In that it is having 45 tasks. Okay, and this time limit for this project is, I can say 6 months. Yes, they are given a time limit of 6 months. Okay. So in this agile methodology, you will have some name called sprint. Sprint. Okay. What they will do now? Companies will follow agile methodology. Why? Because they will divide this 6 months into some sprints. They will divide 6 months into some sprints. Okay. How they will divide now? So in month, 3 sprints. In month, they will divide sprints. 3 sprints into 6 months. And then, so it will be 18 sprints. Any doubts still here? Okay, clear? What they will do now, in these 18 sprints, they will divide these 45 tasks. They will divide these 45 tasks into some categories. So first one is high priority, and second one is medium, and third one is low level priority. Okay, they will divide it. So in this high priority we got 10. Okay, and then medium we got 10, and in low we got 10, 10, 20, 25. We got 25 in low. Okay, got it? They will divide like this. So first is sprint section. First sprint section. So in month, how many sprint sections are there? They will decide 3 sprints. So sprint section and first sprint will be from day 1 to day 10. In these 10 days, they will give tasks of 10 user stories, 10 tasks. You need to complete the 10 tasks only. Okay. And second sprint, again 10 tasks. And third sprint, again 10 tasks. They will divide like this. Okay. Here, what they will do now in sprint 1, day 10, day 1 to day 10, they will give you only 3 tasks only. Why? Because in this sprint, you should not able to create, not only for creation of task, not only for creation of application, you need to perform all the things. How you know? The life cycle is there, na? What are the life cycle is there? So this is my sprint 1. Sprint 1, I got how many? 3 user stories. I need to work on 3 user stories here. In this sprint, I need to work on 3 user stories. Any doubts here? Okay. How will you know? First, it will go with a step called launch. First step ఏంటి? Launch. తర్వాత ఏమవుతుంది? Design. Sorry, తర్వాత ఏంటి? Launch తర్వాత plan. తర్వాత design. తర్వాత develop. తర్వాత
testing.
తర్వాత
deployment.
తర్వాత deploy.
Maintenance.
ఈ స్ప్రింట్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ ఏమవుతుంది? ఇవి అయిపోయినాయి, ఈ యూజర్ స్టోరీస్ అయిపోయినాయి. నెక్స్ట్ స్ప్రింట్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ స్ప్రింట్ స్టార్ట్ అయినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? మళ్ళీ సేమ్ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది స్టెప్స్. ప్లానింగ్, డిజైన్, డెవలప్మెంట్, టెస్టింగ్, లైక్ దిస్. సో ఎవ్రీథింగ్ విల్ బి డన్ ఇన్ 1 sprint. Okay, if you are creating 1 user story, that users will be completed in that sprint section only. Okay, everything will be complete. Deployment also will be done. ఇప్పుడు waterfall model లో ఎలా అవుతుందంటే, in waterfall model how it will be, everything will be done and last you will deploy it. But if you are going with agile methodology, if you are performing 3 tasks, you need to deploy that 3 tasks. After that only you will go to another 4th task. Okay, this is the things will go on in agile methodology. Okay, any doubts clear? In agile methodology, you will follow some rules. What are they? Okay. You will have some calls. You will have some meetup sessions. Okay. You will have some meetup session. ఎప్పుడు ఉంటాయి? స్ప్రింట్ స్టార్ట్ అయినప్పుడు. For every sprint, you will have one call session, meeting session. That is called as meeting session. Okay. దాన్ని ఏమంటారు తెలుసా? ఆ మీటింగ్ ఏమంటారు తెలుసా? స్క్రమ్ మీటింగ్ అంటారు. దాన్ని ఏమంటారండి? స్క్రమ్ మీటింగ్ అంటారు. That is called scrum meeting. Any doubts clear? For every sprint section, you will have one scrum meeting. Okay. For every sprint section, you will have one scrum meeting. Any doubts still here? Okay. In scrum meeting, who are the persons involved? Can anyone tell me? First one will be scrum master. And second one will be business analyst. కదా? కాదు. Okay. Scrum master will be business analyst or technical architect. వాళ్ళిద్దరిట్లో ఎవరో ఒకరు స్క్రమ్ మాస్టర్ అవుతారు. ఓకేనా? కానీ జనరల్ గా అయితే స్క్రమ్ మాస్టర్ ని ఎవరిని అంటారంటే ఇన్ జనరల్ we'll call technical architect as a scrum master. Okay. Any doubts here? Okay. ఇంకెవరు ఉంటారు చెప్పండి? డెవలపర్ will be there. ఇంకెవరు ఉంటారు? టెస్టర్ will be there. ఇంకా business client will be there. So he needs that one. We'll ask him, okay, this sprint section we are going to do these things. What are the requirements you want to do more? And Chappy will ask him. And the business client will give you inputs in this column. Sometimes he will be there, sometimes he will be not there. Okay, he is an optional one. He's an optional. Who is the optional for scrum meeting? Business client is an option. Okay, he is an option. Any doubts here? What scrum master will do? What scrum master will do? He will conduct the meeting. He'll conduct the meeting. Okay. And then he will note down the meeting points. These meeting points will be given to business analyst or business architect. Kani general ga emoutundi ante in general in agile methodology what are the persons will be there na? Scrum master will be there. Okay. Scrum master will be different person. He is a unknown person anamata. He is not a business analyst, he is not a technical architect. Scrum master will be there. Okay. And then developer will be there. Okay. And then business analyst will be there. And then technical architect will be there. And business client will be there. Like this will be there. But generally companies won't keep another person with free of cost. Na? Only just a meeting context they will not keep an employee. So that's why they have given the scrum master task to business analyst or business technical architect. They will only take it. In general, technical architect will only take this. Okay. Any doubts here? Any doubts? I want doubts, questions. So no one is asking questions. అంటే నేను అంత కరెక్ట్గా చెప్తున్నానా? క్వశ్చన్స్ అడగట్లేదు లేదా మీకు అంత కరెక్ట్గా అర్థమవుతుందా? Sorry, just for fun. Any questions, bro? Can anyone unmute yourself? I don't think so. It is working.
It is working, sir.
Saikiran, are you having any questions?
Sir, please explain me and this waterfall method once again. Now.
So you want to you want about waterfall model, am I right?
Yes.
Okay. Nothing is there in waterfall model. Okay. Waterfall model, nothing is there. Just they will give assign a project for you, and this they will have a plan session. Gathering information will be there, and every life cycle will be followed. Life cycle will be followed. In this way, what they will give you certain time limit. Okay, how much time they will give you? They will give you 3 months or 4 months or 5 months or 1 year. Okay, they'll give you the time limit. Okay, in this time limit, what they will ask you now? Complete the project or complete creation of application. You should complete the creation of application. So you have more than 50 user stories per application. You will have 45 or sorry 50 user stories for that application. Any doubts here? Okay, what you do now? First, you will create all these user stories. You will not test it. You will not test it. When you will test it? After creation of all these 50 user stories only, you will do testing, and then you will deploy it. Okay, then you will deploy it. But whereas coming to agile methodology, you will have certain limit of sprint sections will be there. In each sprint section, you will have some certain user stories. You will work on user stories, and you will deploy that user stories, and then you will check that user stories also. Okay, the things will be like this. Waterfall model is only for doing the task at final stage, doing everything at a final stage. But whereas coming to agile, it will be on sprint wise. These sprint wise will be there. Okay, any doubts still here?